Hello, today we will guide you through how to change wallet on Axiom Pro. To begin, open Axiom Pro and make sure you are on the Discover page for the Solana network. This is the main starting point shown in the walkthrough, and it helps to begin here so your navigation matches what you see on screen. If your layout looks slightly different, that can happen from time to time with platform updates, but the overall process should still be very similar. Once you are on the Discover page, look toward the top area of the screen and click the arrow icon. This arrow opens the navigation area you need in order to access wallet-related settings and account sections. Take a moment here to make sure the menu fully expands before moving on, especially if the page takes a second to load. After that, click on Portfolio. This will bring you to the section where your wallet connection and portfolio details are managed. If you are trying to switch from one wallet to another, this is the key area where that process begins. It's also a good place to double-check that you are in the correct account area before making any changes. Next, select Create or Import. Even though the wording may sound like it is only for setting up a brand new wallet, this is also the option used to move forward with changing the wallet you want to use in Axiom Pro. In other words, this step takes you to the flow where you can either add a different wallet or import the one you want to switch to. From there, simply follow the on-screen procedure. The exact prompts may vary depending on whether you are creating a new wallet or importing an existing one, so read each screen carefully before continuing. Be sure to review any wallet details closely and confirm that you are selecting the correct option for your needs. As a general tip, move slowly during this part of the process and verify each screen before you confirm anything. If Axiom Pro asks you to approve permissions or confirm the wallet setup, make sure everything looks correct first. This helps avoid linking the wrong wallet by mistake. And that's it. Once the on-screen process is complete, your wallet change in Axiom Pro should be set up. Thanks for watching, and we hope this guide made the process clear and easy to follow.